Hey, I'm Kendra, and I'm the Content Project Manager at Banyan Botanicals and a student of Ayurveda. I'm here today to give you the inside scoop on my personal skincare routine. We actually get a lot of questions about skincare, and so I want to give you some tips on using Banyan products and daily habits to achieve glowing skin. Let's get started. You know how people say it's what's inside that matters most? This is especially true for Ayurvedic skincare. Whatever you put into your body expresses itself through the skin. That's why I make sure that I eat a wholesome diet and drink enough water to remain properly hydrated. It's super key. And so to do that, I get up first thing in the morning and I drink a big mug of warm water with a squeeze of lime to calm my pitta. And so for what I like to eat, I like to nourish my body with fresh, wholesome, organic foods, as close to the source as possible. That means that if I don't know how an ingredient is made, I'm probably not gonna eat it. I also like to eat locally and seasonally. That means in summer, I'm eating a lot of berries for breakfast. So another essential aspect of achieving glowing skin is to make sure you get a good night's sleep. For me, I like to get somewhere between 7 and 8 hours. That's my sweet spot. And it's important because while you're sleeping, your skin is working at repairing itself. I really like to support this natural process by applying a little bit of beauty balm before I go to bed. This stuff is amazing. It's got ghee in it, which is super nourishing and makes my skin feel really supple. And it's got rose geranium essential oil, so the smell helps me sleep. All of those habits really nurture me from the inside out. For me, skincare is more than just pampering myself, it's an act of self-love. And washing my face is an important aspect of my daily routine. So let's talk about it. So after I get up in the morning, I splash my face with cool water and I make sure to get my eyes as it's really calming for my pitta. And then I apply a little bit of soothing skin balm. This stuff's amazing. It's got neem and guduchi in it, which helps clear the heat. And since it's summer, I really need it. It also works as a great primer before you put on your makeup for the day. After this, I go and do my daily meditation and breathing practices. This is important to me because it's super calming and helps me manage my stress. You know what that means? Less wrinkles. After my day's done in the evening, I like to wash my face with oil. Yes, oil. This was life-changing for me, and if you haven't tried it yet, I urge you to give it a go. So your skin actually absorbs whatever you put on it, so the oil is like food for your skin. I like to use the neem oil, which is really calming and soothing for heat. So I just use a little bit of oil and I apply it to my face with clean hands. Then I massage it into my skin in small circular strokes. If I've worn some makeup that day, I like to use a loofah to help exfoliate. Afterwards, I like to use some Neem Toner that I made with neem powder. All you do is you make a really strong tea and strain it well, then fill your bottle and spritz away. And then I do a face mask. I really like the mangista and mung bean recipe that we have on the Banyan website. However, most of the time I keep it really simple and I just do a honey and Triphala face mask. And so I take 2 teaspoons of Triphala powder and I mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. After I apply it to my face, I sometimes leave it on for up to 30 minutes. Afterwards, I really notice my skin is a lot brighter, smoother, and my pores seem finer. So I recently started taking the healthy skin tablets and I've noticed a huge reduction in redness and splotchiness, and my skin seems to be holding more moisture. So that's my daily skincare routine. We're always here to help answer your questions, so give us a like and leave your questions in the comments below. If you really like this video, then go ahead and follow us and subscribe on YouTube. Thanks for watching.